Hi, geniuses. Welcome to Vedantu Olympiad School, where we challenge your thinking and sharpen your minds with fun puzzles. Today, we have some super cool brain teasers that will test your logic, creativity, and problem solving skills. So, let's get started. Right. So, first of all, we are going to talk about that what exactly is the science behind the puzzles. How do they actually challenge your brain, right? So basically, what happens is our cognitive thinking enhances, right? Because puzzle engages multiple brain regions that promotes cognitive flexibility and problem solving and memory, right? And also, solving puzzles stimulates the brain's neuroplasticity, right? Which creates new connections and enhances our cognitive functions. Okay, chalo, let's have a look towards our first puzzle of the day. Puzzle number one is that you have to find out the missing number. So look at this pattern: 2, 6, 12, 20, question mark, and 42. So find out what is the missing number over here. Take a few seconds. Think about what do we do in these type of puzzles. Missing numbers. One hand, you can try taking out the differences. Check that. Otherwise, we are going to solve it. Analyze what exactly pattern you are able to find out from here. You can try multiple techniques. Let's write the numbers. Okay. Okay, 1 second. We have 2, 6, 12, 20, question mark, and 42. So if you find out the differences, here is 4, here is 6, here is 8. So what should be the next number? Try it out. That should be 10. Is it going to help us? Oh, sure. Let's try to think it in a different way. The alternative way, what I can think over here is, because if I take 10, it should be 30. The next difference should be, if I take it as over here 30, the next should be 12. Voila! So the answer is definitely coming. Right. So this is the one way of it. Can we think of alternative way as well for the same puzzle? Maybe you have tried out any other method. What could be the possibility? Sometimes, if it is not going to work, then we have to check out for the alternative pattern as well. Over here, first worked for us. The second pattern, what I can see from here is 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 3, or should I write it as 1 multiplied by 2? 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 5, and 5 multiplied by 6, 30. 6 multiplied by 7, 42. So this also works over here, right? And if you want to analyze some pattern in the form of the formula, it's going to be n square plus n, right? Chal, let's move towards the next puzzle. The tricky clock riddle. What exactly is that? Think about it. A clock shows the time as 3:15, right? What is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand? Now think of that what angle is made when they move for a minute. Like that. Think about it. We'll wait for a few seconds and we are going to give you the answer. Okay. Let's see if I have a clock 350. 15 is this. 3 is going to be somewhere here. Right? So now we are supposed to find out the angle. If we know that for a particular hand to move entire circle, it takes 360 degree, right? If I am going to find out for 1 minute, it is going to be how much? 6 degrees. In 5 minutes, this is for 1 minute. For 5 minutes, it is going to be 30 degrees. But over here, I have to find out the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand, right? And what exactly it is going to be? In 1 minute, it is going to be 6 degrees, but a little bit of the movement of the hour hand is going to be ahead of 3, right? So what exactly is going to be the answer? It is going to be 7.5 degrees. Right? Because both of them are moving, minute hand and the hour hand as well. Hour hand, very slowly, but yeah, it is moving. Okay, let's move towards the next puzzle. The two doors mystery. Okay, let us say that you are in a room with two doors. One door leads to safety and the other one leads to danger. Two guards stand in front. One always tells the truth and the other one always lies. You can ask only one question to find the safe door. What would you ask? Think about it. Take a few seconds. Now, here's a little hint. Think what lie they can say. Okay, now we are going to reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. You just has to ask any of the guard, right? That if I ask the other guy which door is safe, what would they say? Right? And whatever they say, just choose the opposite door. So for example, you're going to ask the truth, the person, the guard who always tells the truth. So he will say that the other guard is going to lie about that this door is the correct one, the which one leads to the safety. That means the other guard lied to it. So opposite one is going to be the safety door. Alternatively, if you're going to ask the guard who lies, he is going to say that the other person who always says the truth, that he's going to point out the correct door, but the person you are asking is lying, so that means he's going to point out to the wrong door again, because he's lying every time, no? So the opposite particular door is going to be your safety door, right? Okay, now since we have done few puzzles, now what exactly happens when you are doing the logic puzzles? Let's have the understanding for a few seconds about it. It sharpens your problem solving skills, right? The logic puzzles requires careful analysis, right? And we are supposed to find out what are the possibilities. Also, we are supposed to eliminate the possibilities which are not going to be suitable, right? Also, the enhances our critical thinking skills and ability to identify the patterns and the relationships, right? We are able to analyze the moment we do it consistently. We are able to have that thinking skill and we are able to improve that, right? And they train our mind, because these puzzles train our mind to approach the complex problems systematically. And we all know that the real life is full of complex problems, right? So that is why having the problem solving skills is very, very necessary. Sure. Let's move towards the fourth puzzle, the missing dollar puzzle riddle, right? Let's go for it. So three friends go to a restaurant. The bill is $30. Each contributes $10. The waiter returns with $5 but keeps $2 as a tip and gives back them $3. So now they each paid $9. Total $27. And the waiter has $2. So which equals to $29. So where is the missing dollar? Think about it. Where is the missing dollar? I will give you answer after a few seconds. An answer to this puzzle is going to be revealed in 3, 2, 1, and dun-dun-dun. We are having the spending that has done is only $27, right? So that $22 which waiter had, that was the misdirection, right? There's no missing dollar over here, right? That was the trick. Okay, moving ahead towards the family riddle. A man has 4 daughters. Each daughter has a brother. How many children does he have? You can give the answer quickly. Think about it. Think about it. Answer is going to be revealed in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. The answer is 5. 4 daughters and 1 brother. Right? So we have total 5 children. Not we, a man. Right? Okay. Next puzzle. The age riddle. A father is 40 years old. His son is 10. In how many years will the father be twice old as old his son? Think about it. How many years? How many years? This is a father son relationship, right?